Hello. This video explains how to use an aggregate function in Visual Query Builder. Visual Query Builder provides aggregate functions that you can apply to fields to summarize data for meaningful analysis. Let's see how to use one of these functions. Ron is an incident manager. He wants to identify the incidents for which the maximum number of reassignments occurred for each assigned group. We will look at the tasks Ron performs to create the required SQL query. He begins by opening Visual Query Builder from a dashboard panel. He selects Incident Management and drags the incident number, assigned group, and total transfers fields to the Fields area. Next, he clicks Preview to see the incidents, their assigned groups, and the total assignment transfers for incidents. Ron performs the following tasks to view the maximum transfers according to each assigned group. He applies the maximum aggregation function to the total transfers field and previews the query. Ron clicks Use Query to use this query in the dashboard panel. Finally, in the dashboard panel, he sorts the total transfers field values in descending order to view the incidents with the maximum transfers. To learn more, see the online documentation link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.